Morning, Steve.
Morning. So what makes the Vauxhall Adam so special?
Let me tell you. Right, I'm going to take you around the car. So first, the styling. Okay, look at the styling. Look at the wheels. Look at the black against the white contrast. They always paint the roofs a different colour. You've got the wheel trims, wheel design. It stands out. Why were they not as successful as they should be? Then you've got basic fun to drive. Why are they fun to drive? Well, again, reverting back, you've got the big 17-inch alloys. They are sports car tyres and wheels. Okay, they're light, they're nippy, they're so agile on the road, and the steering is so good. Affordability is looked over. You can get a good one of these for £5,000 or £6,000. Yeah, you look at the comparable Fiat or the comparable Mini, and they're just so much more money. Easy to customise. You can do all sorts with them, because in the end it's based on a Corsa, but you can do so much more with the car. Why is it not loved? It's not loved because, again, the Corsa's overshadowed it. Yeah, the Corso's overshadowed it because they've sold so many over tens and tens of years that people don't look at these, but they do. They're coming more and more into vogue now because they stopped making them in 2019, and now they're coming back and back and back, and the values are going up. So that's the way we're doing it. Okay, just have a look. Just have a look. And the best colour is the white and the black. It's most saleable. And some of them are quite quick, you know, Steve.
Really?
Yeah.
How quick?
Well, they've got 150 brake horse.
That's pretty decent.
150 brake horse from the 1.4 turbo. I mean, and you can spec it up if you want to, and you can get up to 170 with reliability, which is most important, the reliability. So, but you've also got, go the other way, you've got the 1.2s. 1.2, great to drive, first time drivers, Group 3 insurance. And where would your daughter or your son rather be in one of these? They're modern. They're not like a Corsa's old school. This is new. So there you have it.